Hey there! You probably just discovered CSI and are wondering if we're the right firm for you. We can't guarantee that your dreams will come true just by signing up, but we can talk about the traits we see in our successful clients. So if you have these traits, it means you have the potential to be one of our success stories. Here are the 12 most common traits we see in our most successful clients. We spoke with a few of our accountants who have a lot of experience in guiding our clients. Each account manager has their own dedicated client base that they know very well. Tyler said that his most successful clients are the ones who think bigger, strategically. He works with a lot of auto repair shops, so he used them as an example. Successful ones may have the owner step in for mechanic work every once in a while, but the owner's main focus is on growing the business. This also helps you make sure your business is adequately staffed, resulting in a positive company culture. You can also do this by offering employee benefits. He says, happy employees drive happy clients. Going back to growing your business, having clear business goals and a strategy to achieve them is huge. When you work with a monthly accountant like Tyler, you can do financial and tax planning year-round. Informed business decisions make you more likely to find success. John sees his most success in his clients who are adaptable. No matter which industry you're in, it's always changing, and that means your business needs to change too. He believes a great way to embrace change is to focus on technology that increases your efficiency and your customers' experience when they work with you. All of this helps you stay competitive in the marketplace. After all, when was the last time that you, as a customer, had to write a check for a business instead of just swiping a credit card? Every bit of convenience helps your cause. Since Bryan manages the accounting department, he has an overview of our client base. The clients that stand out to him as very successful have the following traits in common, outside of working with us. Commitment to quality products and services. They don't cut corners, and they know their own clients or customers wouldn't appreciate it. Smart marketing strategies. It's one thing to invest in marketing. It's another thing to target the right audience, use the right forms of marketing, diversify the areas where you advertise, and stop campaigns if there's not adequate payoff in the long term. Effective communication. Our successful clients prioritize transparency with employees, customers, and partners. Bryan also mentioned that lots of business owners ask for advice, but don't actually use it. Our successful clients put action behind advice. Here are some of the most critical areas of advice to follow for success. Building and sticking to the right budget. They want to know what their money is doing for them, and they live within their means. They manage their costs while still maintaining strong cash reserves in case of emergency. But they also consult us when it's time to invest in growth to see if they should get a loan. Another trait is engaging in proactive tax planning. This is one of our biggest selling points, and yet we've had some clients who aren't very interested. All that you need to do is show up for the meetings and engage in the conversations. Then applying the advice that comes from them can help minimize your tax liability. And the last trait is forming their ideal financial team. While your accountant can help you with a lot of things, sometimes they may need to refer you to a trusted professional, such as an attorney. If this happens, you should trust that you're in good hands and follow their advice. Now that you know about the top 12 most common traits in our most successful clients, can you relate? If the answer is yes, consider partnering with CSI. To see if we can be a good fit for your business, click the link below to set up a quick chat. Not ready to talk? That's okay. First, learn more about what it's like to work with CSI by going to this page on our site. Thanks for watching. We look forward to meeting you.